Hello, welcome to Excel Fundamentals. Today we'll be covering some really important basic vital functions called the count, count A, and count blank functions. These are really important for your everyday, especially when trying to identify important information. So let's start with a list of values here. These values could really be anything. They could be phone numbers, zip codes, email addresses, names, last names, whatever you want to call them. Here I've just called them a list. And now we're going to explore these three functions with this list. So let's start with the count function. The count function is really important, especially when you're trying to understand what kind of information you're working with. So here we've got our list, and let's look at the definition for the count function. The count function, it counts the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. So this is our range. Now what you can do is you highlight your range. Notice that I did not highlight the title. And I'm going to close the parentheses and hit enter. And according to this, there are 15 numbers in this list. Now that doesn't mean there are 15 values. That means 15 numbers. Now let's hop over to count A. What does this do? Count A counts the number of cells that are not empty. Important, because the count function only counted numbers. So count A is going to count numbers and letters and anything else that's not empty. So let's highlight our list. Close, enter. So count A counted 19. Now this makes sense because we can easily see that there are 4 letters in our list, plus our 15 numbers gives us 19 non-blank values. Lastly is count blank. What does count blank do? Like its name, it counts the number of empty cells, in a range of cells. So if I highlight this list, it's going to count what count A did not capture. There are 2 empty cells, and if we look closely, here they are in row 15 and row 18. And that's a quick, dirty, easy explanation for the count function and how it could help you with your daily analysis.